Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Akfaisi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about synthesis of aminophenol. You know my friends, para-aminophenol contains impurities and that must be removed at the beginning of the synthesis. So in this synthesis, we are going to synthesize one important analgesic compounds, and you know the analgesic compounds used to reduce pain. Antipyretics are compound used to reduce fever. One popular drug that both is aspirin, you also know that. So my friends, you know acetaminophen. You know acetaminophen is this compound. This acetaminophen is very important from practical point of view. So how you will prepare this compound? So the procedure of preparation of this compound: first, weigh 2.5 gram. Just remember, weigh 2.5 gram of aminophenol into a 125 milliliter aluminum flask and add 35 ml of water followed by 1.5 ml of concentrated hydrochloric acid. Swirl the flask in and attempt to dissolve the amine hydrochloride. Add a few more drops of concentrated acid if necessary. Dissolve the amine completely. As the hydrochloride, it will be difficult to determine since the solution is very dark. Add 0.3 to 0.4 gram of decolorizing charcoal to solution. You know, this is much more than usual but necessary because the crude para-aminophenol contains a lot of polymeric materials. Swirl the solutions on a steam bath for 4 to 8 minutes and periodically check to see if the solution is decolorizing. It will be difficult to determine since the solution is dark. Remove the charcoal by gravity filtration into another secured 125 milliliter aluminum flask using fluted filter paper while the solution is warm. The flask is secured to prevent tipping. Rinse the filter paper with 1 ml of water. If the charcoal comes through the filter paper, it may be necessary to refilter or to use a filter and slide. The filtrate may be clear or more likely a tea color. If the solution is dark brown, add 0.1 gram of nodate. Heat on the steam bath for a few minutes and filter. Filtrate will darken with time. This is the way. Another important point I have to discuss here: while decolorizing the para-aminophenol, prepare a buffer solution by dissolving 2.5 gram of sodium acetate trihydrate in 7.5 milliliter of water, which will give you 8.8 ml of solutions. Clarify the solution by gravity filtration if necessary. Then what you need to do: warm the filter equals para-aminophenol hydrochloride solution on a steam bath. You know the steam bath, and add the buffer solution in one portion with swirling. Immediately add 2 ml of acetic anhydride while continuing to swirl the solution. Continue heating on the steam bath while swirling vigorously for 10 minutes. Then what you need to do: cool the solutions. Cool the solution in an ice water bath, stirring with glass rod until the crude acetaminophen begin to recrystallize or crystallize. A little bit of the rubbing, scratching with a glass rod near the surface often stimulate the crystallizations. After crystallization begin, allow the solution to sit in the ice bath for almost an hour. Filter your product using a Buchner funnel and the water aspirator or house vacuum line. Wash, rinse the crystal once with minimum amount of cold water. A few ml should suffice. Allow the crystal to air dry under vacuum. Collect the crude crystalline product and weigh to the nearest tenth of the grams. Record the weights. Then, in last, what you need to do, recrystallize all but 100 milligram of your crude acetaminophen from water by first dissolving the solid in the minimum amount of hot boiling water. Do this carefully, adding a small amount of hot water. You do not want to have excess water. Work on a steam bath to keep the solution hot. Add another 2 ml of hot water. If there are no insoluble particles in the solution, you can allow it to cool slowly without having to first filter. If no, decant the hot solution or try to remove the particles with a spatula or pasture pipette while keeping the solution warm. After crystallizations begin, cool the solution more rapidly using an ice bath. When crystallization ceases, 15 minutes, collect the crystal as before, rinsing once with a few ml of cold water and air drying. Record the weight of the dry recrystallized acetaminophen. So my friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.